Okay, y'all. So I'm back on the truck today. Trying to get this thing prepped to get the C-notches in. As you can see, I got these rivets and this bracket taken off. These things are a pain in the butt, but I got the brackets already out of the way. There's 3 rivets that hold each bracket in on each side, and there's for the bump stop for the rear end. I got those taken out, and as you can see, I got my template already put in here, and made my mark to make my cut. So now what I need to do is I need to get some more rivets out. There's 2 rivets under here that's got to come out, and there's 2 here on this spring perch or spring plate. There's 1 here and 1 there, and they got to come out because when I cut this thing, that C-notch got to come up under here and it's got to sit flush, and it's these 2 rivets right here pretty much lined up with the holes on the C-notch, and also these 2 right here kind of line up with the C-notch. So I bought this tool I found on Amazon. It's like a high, it's a hardened stainless steel cutting bit, and hopefully this will do the trick. Because ideally, really, you really got to drill, grind these things out, or use a punch to punch them out, an air tool, air chisel, something like that. I don't have that set up right now, so I'm going to try something a little different to see if we can get this accomplished. So here we go. Alright, y'all. Man, that's a tough one there. But we're gonna get back to this, and I'll show you guys the progress. If it works. Look like it's going to. So far, so we'll see.